Hello, how is your day? Today I will show you how to make an electric welding machine from only fan stator coils. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I used a fan motor and took it apart. Once finished, I cut out the unnecessary stuff. Use a soldering iron to join the copper wires together. Next, I used a 27mm diameter PVC pipe and cut a 6cm long piece. Use 2.5mm diameter wire wrapped around the plastic pipe. Continue using two wires to connect to the two copper ends of the stator coil. Note: use tape around the joint. Use zip ties to secure the wire and copper coil. Insert the created coil into the center of the stator coil. Use nuts to mount the stator cover and coil. To power the welder, I use a plug. At the output, I use 2 homemade soldering irons. When finished, I will take it for testing. After connecting the plug to the power source, I touched the 2 soldering irons together, and it created sparks. Next, I used a soldering iron and welded the two pieces of iron together. It was great. The welder worked great and the weld was very strong. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.